Damiano van het Geleenbeekdal, grandson of the 150 mare D.L.A van het Dalhof. This foal is a grandson of the international sport mare D.L.A van het Dalhof, who performed at 1.50 m level with Abdel Said. That makes Damn Nice D.L.A van het Eigenlo a sibling to the 150 level performer Moneymaker van het Eigenlo and two 145 level horses. Grand Dam D.L.A van het Dalhof is a sibling to the top level showjumpers Origi van de Vosberg, Hoopala van de Dalhof and Jugano van de Vosberg. And this direct dam line also produced Reed Kessler's Olympic showjumper Sulana. Sire Demonic Zat has already made an impression in the Belgium young horse and stallion competitions.